Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I'm gonna be trying to drink this whole bubbly without burping, so let's go. Like if you think I'm gonna do it. If you think I'm not gonna do it. If I'm not gonna finish, I'm gonna finish it. Okay. If you think I can't do it. Just speak Spanish. Ow. I almost did. I was trying to finish it. I'm like here or down here. I don't know. But we're gonna try to finish it without burping. The whole thing. But this is the third time. Breathe in. See, I'm getting all my burps out. Okay. I'm gonna chug this, so I'm not gonna stop. My throat. I cut myself. Okay, I'm gonna finish the rest of this thing without taking it off. No. That was my sister. She was in my room. Can you get out? Because now they think that's me. She's leaving. I don't do spit backs. I'm gonna use just a little bit. Don't burp. Finished. Okay. Sweet. Oh my god. Because it's cold in here, but it didn't work. I've burped 5 times. More than 5. There's a huge bubble now. But instead of just doing that, I have my Easter basket. And I got bubbles. Okay, and I got the thing. So we're going to try that something, but hold on. I'm going to the bathroom. Let's admire our pretty staircase in my bathroom. How's your guys' day going? Hold on. But guys, I had to go to the doctor's. I was supposed to go to the doctor's and dentist, but my mom ended up changing it to next. I'm still burping. The week after next week, that Wednesday, because I have Wednesday practice. Well, I don't know what day she moves it to, but I can't do it on Wednesday. So I think it's, I don't remember what day it's supposed to be on. After drinking all that sparkling water, I gotta go to the bathroom. It's basically like okay, let's go. Okay, we have bubbles. It comes with the thing. Okay, I don't want to put too much. So, the biggie pusher is. Okay, gosh. Let's watch. Did it work? Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna try this one. Sit it here. So you sit it in here. Gonna just move it around. Make sure there's. Oh, I see it. I see it. Okay, this works pretty good. Now we're gonna try the alternate one. I'm gonna add more bubbles. Can you guys screenshot this one? Yes. Screenshot this! Or screen record, whatever. No! You saw that big one! Oh my god. Gonna add bubbles. Just in case. Yeah. Ooh, tons of bubbles. This is not my only one I'm using. Screenshot this. Yo, screenshot this! Oh my god. I caught a bubble. Screenshot. Dang, gotta get the chance. Okay, but most of these are so easy, but I'm so eager to try the skeleton one. Like, it looks so cool. Okay, got bubbles. Make sure it's not leaking. Bro. I hope you guys are screenshotting this on the way. I have a towel. Oh my god! Sorry guys, hold on. I'm gonna move y'all back. You'll see it's all over my house. No, it's not. It's still a waste. But we're fine. I have a towel right here, just in case it doesn't work. I don't know if you can do this like this. It doesn't work. It does, but now I'm gonna try this one. This one looks really, really cool. Okay, some of them got bubbles. Okay, I don't want it to leak. You gotta screen record this whole video, guys. Screen record it. Screenshot. And make you guys screenshot this and send it to me. I love kicking bubbles. Oh my god, my leg went. But we have another big one. That's why I keep a tower. Phone is gonna be clean. everything will be clean. Here, guys, we're gonna move you guys to right here, so you can see everything. But next is this really, really, really pretty flower. Yeah, I love it. It looks so pretty. I need that. I'm gonna put this towel. Move the bubbles right here. I'm gonna move the bubbles so you guys can see. Put the bubbles over here. But we're gonna put things on here, and so we can clean up. So I'm gonna try this again because it didn't work. So we're gonna try it again. But after this one, okay, it's right. I'm just making it drip. Let's move it. So there's so many things on my desk. You ready? Oh my gosh, it's leaking. It turned it went. Boom. Okay, that was actually a really nice one. Now, here's your first step. Okay, here. Screen record this. Okay, I got them. Oh, I see it's bubbles. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour most of this back in and pour it back out. Guys, don't judge, I'm not a good pourer. See, look, I spilt most of it. So I'm gonna just put this on the rug and there. I'm gonna pour some bubble mix. It should be good. I'm gonna put our lid on. If I'm being a good girl. From Pop from Easter. I have not opened my mom's Easter basket. So yeah. Oh. Let's see. Are you actually Ring Pops here? One is red. This one says blue raspberry. It is white. Already? I only took 2 licks. This was my favorite. Guess what? I can always sing a ring pop. Always save it. Don't waste it. But I can't know because I'm hungry and I want some to eat. But the sick for tea is food.
What do you want?
Eat.
Not now. Get ready.
Tell me when to come.